Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. I hope you guys are doing well. I would like to say thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Juliana and welcome to the game. Today we're going to unbox our Ipsy boxes. Last month I received this box, I think 28 or 29 of June, because they said package or shipping slows down by COVID, which is, I know, I understand that. We're going to unbox our June and July 2020 Ipsy Plus. If you're new with Ipsy, this is a beauty subscription. They have three types of boxes. They have the $12, the $25, and the $50. So for Ipsy Plus, 5 full sizes every month, ranging from skincare, makeup, and beauty tools. And I'm going to give away one because give love, right? Not only on Christmas Day, but give love every minute of the day. So yes, if you want to join our Ipsy Plus box giveaway, you can check that on the description down below. All the information is detailed on the description down below. Which box is this? Oh, okay. I opened the July. So we're going to talk about July. Instead of putting all the information in this card, Ipsy encourages every subscriber to use their apps, which is, for me, it's okay. We have this pouch here, and this is the Wonderlast. This is plastic. You know what? The keychain, the zipper, has a cute airplane in it, and it reminds me of my previous trips. This is very adorable. First off, we have the Ahava Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer. And this is for normal to dry skin. Full size value is $67. I don't think this is full size, but yeah, this is a very good moisturizer. I've used this before, and this is very hydrating. Key ingredient for this product is the Dead Sea water. If you've been to Dead Sea, you will float, and then after you're done floating from Dead Sea, your skin will be smooth, silky. If I'm not mistaken, this is the collaboration of Ahava with Ipsy. Okay, next up we have the Il Makiage Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color in News Plush. This one retails for what? $29. Oh wow! Look at the packaging. The packaging is that what makes the product pricey. And this is the shade, and we're going to swatch that. That is gorgeous. This is a winner. So far, I am happy with my goodies from July 2020. Next item, we have the Tarte Sea Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. And look how dainty the packaging. This is a huge packaging. I'm not going to use it. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. And this is the applicator. And this one retail for $23. Okay, next up, we have the Nature's Cartel VCR Static Lip Gloss. Never heard of the brand, and it's very like a diamond. This is iridescent lip gloss. This one is retail for $12. This is a very beautiful shade. You know what? We can try because I never had. Oh my goodness, smells like gas. Heck? Okay, pass. I'll pass. I have to wash my lips. There's a gas scent. I don't know what's in it, but it's weird. Like, no. Okay, next up, last item from our July 2020. This is the Doof and Doff Salmon Vegan Hydroactive Eye Cream. And this one retail for $27. And this is a hydroactive eye cream, regeneration, anti-wrinkle, and brightening for your under eye. It is dermatologist tested. The key ingredient for this eye cream is niacinamide, which helps making your eye look brighter. Next up, our Ipsy Plus for June. Oh shoot, this is our June. Oh my. This is our pouch, and it has different women lying on the beach, different colors, different figures. That's beautiful. I love this. Okay, and then our theme for June, it says make waves. And first off, we have the House Laboratories, and this one is from Lady Gaga, and we got the Le Riot Gloss. This one retailed for $18. And you know what? It's a lip gloss. It's a regular lip gloss. Next up, we have the eye cream from Nacific, and this is a Korean brand. And we got the Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream. So anything with calendula is calming, comfortable, hydrating. This one is retail for $30, and we got it in 30 ml. Eye cream is very expensive. One of the most essential skin product that you needed in your lifetime, in my opinion, because under eye, it tend to dry, wrinkle, and all those bad things as we grow old. Have you smelled calendula? Calendula is so refreshing, very relaxing type of plant. And this is the cream. This is something that you will look forward to use. And then next up, we have the one from Tula Skincare. This is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broadband Spectrum SPF 30. This is the UVA and UVB protection. And this one retail for $36. You know what? Eye cream, sunscreen protection, those are the skincare products that very pricey. You have to invest on it. Okay, next up we have the one from Bliss. Oh my gamage. And this one is a gentle polishing cleanser. It's a milky cleansing stick. I know about Bliss. I love their moisturizer, something that I love bringing while in flight. Their water-based moisturizer is one of the best. And this one retail for $15. Final item for our June Ipsy Plus. This one is from Chiate, London. We got the marble metallic glitter eyeshadow, and we are in shade Wicked. Oh wow. Okay, and this is the product. It's an eyeshadow pad, and there's a stopper here that is so neat. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. This is a very beautiful metallic eyeshadow, and it is buildable. It says a multi-reflective, long-lasting metallic hybrid. Okay guys, let's wrap this up for June 2020. Total value of $123, and we have a total savings of $95. And for our July box, we have a total of $158. Total savings $133. That's amazing. I love my boxes. I'm so grateful of what I have for these 2 months. And the skincare product, one of the key products from these boxes, and there are some products that I haven't tried and I'm looking forward to use them. I hope you like our video unboxing. I almost forgot. If you want to join our giveaway, information is detailed in the description down below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.